Papers can be useful throughout the preparation period for 11 plus, from providing an assessment. If those papers are done in test conditions, you can see where the student is at, and you can monitor and benchmark progress as you're going along. It identifies, or they help identify, areas of strength and weaknesses to focus on, which then direct the tuition, and so we can fill those gaps. The timed conditions, working under time pressure, understanding how to address an exam paper is critical. I've worked with students that are academically able and fantastic and can do the maths, but when it comes to applying that in a test situation, they aren't able to show what they can really do. And so practice papers allow me to help them and guide them on how better to do exams.